I've been playing music for more than half of my life, since 1998 or 99, 25 years or so. Jeez. During that time, I like to think I've learned a few things. Hi, my name is Mike Campbell. I'm a mostly self-taught independent musician. One thing I've learned is that having a killer tone and an awesome riff isn't enough. If there's nothing for your audience to connect to, they're not going to come back. Here are 7 songwriting mistakes that I see all the time and I've made myself a million times, and how to fix them. 1. Your songs are too long. Not every idea needs to be a 5 or 7 minute track. Most big songs come in, hit the point, and get out. They leave you wanting more. They leave you wanting to come back. If a section doesn't add something, it doesn't have movement or tension, cut it. Respect the listener's time. The goal isn't length, the goal is impact. Number 2, stop writing riff salads. Look, I totally get it. Your riffs are awesome, and you're right about that. But when a song has 7 different sections, it doesn't feel focused. It doesn't feel concise. It doesn't feel creative. It doesn't feel focused. Pick one main riff and build around it. Let the song have an identity. The best songs always feel intentional. Number 3, the song, and metal in general, are bigger than the guitar. This one took me a lot longer to realize than I'd like to admit, but once I did, it changed my songwriting. If the guitar is filling every second of space, then the vocals are fighting with the leads in the higher end frequencies, and the bass, it gets lost into the drums and in the lower end frequencies of the guitar. Everything sounds muddy, and all emotional intention gets lost. Some of the most impactful sound is no sound. Leave space. The strongest arrangements always have one thing in common: restraint. Write for the entire band and the whole song, not just your guitar. Number 4, intensity means nothing without contrast. If everything is all maximum energy all the time, if everything is at maximum energy the entire time, the entire song, the listener goes numb. A great song moves and breathes and builds and releases. Heavy can feel so much heavier when there's space around it. Number 5, write meaningful lyrics that actually say something. If your lyrics sound like "I'm broken," "I'm depressed," and "I feel the pain," then you're just saying what everybody else has said a million times, but even more boring. Nobody's gonna listen to you. I know this might be harder to some than to others, but you need to be specific with your thoughts and with your emotions. Be visual with your words. Tell a story, paint a picture. Show, don't tell. And be honest. Use your life experience. It's the best tool you have. Number 6, melody matters, even in heavy music. People remember melodies. They remember specific catchy melodies, not just pig squeals and pinch harmonics and cool chugs, Strong vocal phrasing adds dynamics to the song, layered parts, and even subtle harmonies. The bands that last have a voice that is instantly recognizable, not always by their tone, but through vocal style as well. And that comes from melody. Every song needs a moment or a hook. A hook isn't just a pop or a hip hop thing, it's a music thing. In metal specifically, a hook can look like a vocal line that sometimes where the guitar and vocals are playing the same melody, maybe. That can be really effective. Like a rhythm pattern on the drums, or even, just a bass line rhythm pattern. That can be really effective. A cool riff or intro riff, or even a bass line, like I said, if you're into that. Breakdowns. People remember breakdowns. A moment that hits really emotionally, like a specific scream or a blah or a random line. Before you finish your song, ask yourself, what will people remember about it tomorrow or next year? And if you don't have a specific answer for that, it's simply not finished. I've learned all of these lessons the hard way over many, many years. Trial and error and trial and error. And I'm here to help you avoid going down that same road that I did. Metal isn't just about adding more gain and being louder, being heavier. It's about clarity. It's about knowing when to be heavier, when to turn that gain up, and when to be quiet in contrast to loud. There is no light without darkness. Songwriting is about emotion. Whether you're talking about yours or you're trying to stir some in someone else, it gives your listeners a reason to come back. And if you're writing right now and struggling, don't stop. Keep going. I hope that something in this video has helped you. And if so, please consider subscribing. I'm going to document this whole process, my whole process, the music, the growth, the struggles, and everything I've learned along the way. I want to help you become a better songwriter, a better musician. I'm an independent artist, documenting the real process, no shortcuts. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. I just started